Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? First, confirm your handset and SIM support 5G, because without compatible hardware, you won't get the band. Once done, make sure your Airtel plan includes 5G or request an upgrade in the Airtel app. That step authorizes your line on the network. Also, verify your phone is unlocked or set to the correct network. Do these steps first, so configuration changes later actually enable a 5G connection, rather than wasting time on settings. Now you'll change settings. Open your phone's mobile network preferences and select 5G as the preferred network type. This tells the radio to seek 5G bands. Then install any carrier settings or APN updates. Those push the right profile to your SIM. Once installed, restart the phone and briefly toggle airplane mode to force re-registration on Airtel's network. That helps the SIM pick up the 5G cell. Finally, move where Airtel advertises 5G. Signal matters more than settings. Finish the process by confirming activation through the Airtel app or by calling customer care and asking them to provision 5G on your number. Provide your IMEI if requested. Make sure VO LTE is on, since many 5G setups require VO LTE for voice continuity, and keep the SIM in the primary slot. If you still don't see 5G, update your phone's OS and reset network settings. If that fails, request a SIM replacement or a network-side refresh from Airtel. Those fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.